intro for users. So what you're going to do here, you're going to go to the user right here, and you're going to type in who you want to set the specific thing for. So I do mine for VIPs. You can do it for whoever you want. So here you'll go to the user and you're going to edit their little area. So you're going to scroll down under where it says custom entrance command. You're going to add a command. Here you can do the same thing like a shout out. So when this person comes in, you can add a chat message that says, you know, I just put, oh shit, Dances Undead is in the stream. You can do the same thing as the shout out to where you added the image. You can do the target user. Again, you would go to the special identifiers if you didn't know. Oh, target user. Here we go. Yeah, so this is the same as the argument one user. So instead of one user, you're going to do the same. You're going to specifically target a user. So you would do the money sign target user, right? And then if you wanted their username, you could just do their name and it would pop out on screen. Or if you wanted to do their avatar, like we did before with the shout out. I'm just going to leave it in the center. This is kind of the simple form. You can have it upper right, middle, upper left, center, left side middle, right side middle, bottom, same thing. This time we're going to have it bounce in and exit animation. We're going to have it bounce out. When it's on screen, I want it to, we're going to have it swing. Dances is gonna swing. So if you want to test this prior to saving it and all that, you can actually just click the play button and it will run it.